She see money all around me. I look like I'm the man.
First and foremost, gotta make sure the knuckles not ashy. Okay, so basically, yes, y'all probably thought this was gonna be a Jordan, a Yeezy, or something supreme. No, I just wanted to give Stockx a chance and see how everything went. So of course I love Air Force Ones. These right here are actually my favorite Air Force Ones of all time. I know that might be crazy considering all the forces that ever released. You can even get on what, Nike ID and make your own. So but yeah, I just wanted to give Stockx a chance and to see how things worked out. And these have been on my radar for a minute. You know, something simple, just the high top wheat. You know, it's got the verified authentic tag. I mean, I don't know if it's fakes of these rolling around. I mean, it could be, but not very good fakes in my opinion. So I mean, yeah, man, you just typical Christmas tree over there, boxing gloves. Yeah, I mean, just Air Force One high wheat. That's about it. I just wanted to give Stockx a go. My little experience with Stockx is I mean, one thing I didn't know is you would have to cancel your bid, or that person could accept it at any time. Tell y'all a quick little story. I don't want to make this video too long. So this is what happened with Stockx. I was heading home from Alabama, and a guy hit me up locally here in GA, and he said he had these for $100. So I told him to hold them for me till I got back. It was a 4.5 hour trip. He said he would, and he did. You know, so I met up with him, and I bought the same exact shoe. Well, this is the 2017 version, and the other ones were 2015 if I'm not mistaken. So so I got those from him, and I didn't read, you know, everything I needed to read about Stockx. So my bid was still up there for these, and it got accepted, and they shipped them out. So now I got 2 pair of high top wheat forces, which I'm not mad at the double up. I don't know, might sell these, might sell the other ones. It really don't matter. It's not that big of a deal. I didn't pay a grip for these, you know, but the other ones, they were cheaper, obviously. But I mean, other than that, oh yeah, and the other thing about Stockx is they said they couldn't cancel the bid because the integrity of the company relies on it or whatever. And then they said if the guy didn't ship to them in like 3 days, I could cancel and get a refund. It took this dude 5 days to ship the stuff out. And I emailed them about it, and I said, oh, you know, you guys did say the integrity of the business or whatever relies on it. Man, they didn't email me back, but I'm not tripping. The shoes check out, obviously. Like I said, I don't think it would be a fake pair of these out there. And if there are fakes, they're probably bad fakes. So again, Stockx, I'm not mad at that little situation. It's all good. I know what to do and what not to do now, so it's all good. It's not, again, nothing special at all.